if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I do have... Hey YouTube, it's your girl Cherry Coco coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. And as you can tell by the title, your girl is happy. Okay? So, trying to tell y'all, I did lose weight and I ain't even do nothing. No dieting, no exercising, just some very basic, simple tricks that are really overlooked. And I'm going to show you how. So let's get to it. I don't like to keep y'all waiting. I'm going to tell y'all about tip trick number 1 that everybody should be following. And that is the water. The simplest thing on the planet is the water. This is a core bottle that you guys have seen me drinking from in several videos. Every time I go to the store, I try to pick one of these bad boys up. It is 30 full ounces. And I try to drink 3 of these a day. So that's 90 ounces of water a day. And 3 is the minimum. I usually drink more than that. But this has helped me drink almost a gallon a day. But at least 3. And let me tell y'all what has happened to me with this water. And cleared up. Well, I didn't have acne before. I'm just going to be totally honest with you. But I feel like my skin is a little bit brighter. I think my eyes are brighter, but really the skin. And I have some moisture back in just my body because my hands in the middle right here would just get so dry. Like the minute I stepped out the house, I can feel a difference in my skin. I really can, and in my digestive tract. But yeah, and this, y'all, I try to buy one of these every time I go to the grocery store, but this bottle I didn't have for like a week. I just been filling it up over and over again. And I like it because it's exactly, I mean, it's 30 ounces, so it's easy to measure with this core bottle. And I feel like it's easier for me to get the water down also, because that was a major problem for me before, is just getting so much water in. But yes, water, agua, water. Now, tip number 2, the apple cider vinegar with the mother. And it's a mother to get down, but I have been getting it down, but I've been doing mine a little bit differently. So I am a coffee drinker. I love coffee. I love coffee. I love coffee. I love my coffee. So in order for me to be able to have some coffee, I'm training myself. So in order for me to have my coffee, which I love every single solitary day, I can't have it until after I've done a tablespoon or a shot glass of the apple cider vinegar. That has been motivating me to do that apple cider vinegar in the morning. Trust me, because your girl gotta have her coffee. And after I take the tablespoon or the shot glass of apple cider vinegar, I am dousing my throat and my taste buds with water, because it's just so hard to get down. But the thought of the coffee afterwards really is a motivator. And I'm not just doing the apple cider vinegar in the morning. I'm doing it before my major meals. And I really only have like 2 major meals. I mean, I snack all the time, unfortunately, but I really only have like 2 major meals. I don't really do breakfast. I don't like eating early in the morning. It just makes my stomach feel upset, and I just don't like it. I just coffee only. But like lunch and dinner are my 2 major meals. So while I'm cooking lunch, like right before I cook lunch, I'll do a tablespoon or a shot of the apple cider vinegar, and then I'll start to cook, or I'll wait for my food to arrive if I'm at work and I order something or something like that. Or I'll look at the clock over there and I'll be like, oh, okay, I'll probably go eat lunch in about a half hour or about an hour. I'll run downstairs, I'll get my apple cider vinegar, take it, come back up and work for a little while, and then I will eat. So about 30 to an hour before my major meals, I'm taking the apple cider vinegar with mother. That has helped my digestive system a lot. I mean, that really has helped my digestive system a lot. For someone who doesn't go every day, I drink coffee all the time, the apple cider vinegar has really helped me go, you know, number two. Whew, and that has, I mean, it's helped with the bloating in my stomach. I just see a difference. I see a big difference. It might not I mean, you guys might not see a difference, but I see a difference in just the general everywhere. Even in like some of my videos, you'll see like I'm a lot rounder and puffier with the water and the apple cider vinegar. It's really helped a lot. And I just got a big face, so. And number three, I'm more active, but I don't exercise. I promise you, I don't exercise. I'm just more active, and that is completely by accident. I had some big projects to do at the start of the new year that required me to move furniture, move beds around, I'm just trying to make my house more of a feng shui flow, and I've been doing it myself, and I'm doing some cleaning at the same time. So your girl been active. I've been active, but it ain't exercise. It's not. And I think I'm gonna do some different things here in my room also, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do. But I've just been active, and I think if I could just be more active on a daily basis, like instead of just letting my dog out, actually taking my dog out and walking her. But she's getting so old and she just really not always up to it. But that is accidentally being active. I've been doing a lot of going up and down my steps because I'm moving, and I'm moving and shaking, moving and shaking, moving and shaking, moving and shaking. Yeah. So those are the three things that has really helped me lose this weight accidentally. And on a side note, just a little pincher kicker in there, I've been cutting out a lot of stuff too. Like I said, I still snack. I still eat bread, which I had stopped for a long time, but I kicked the habit back up. But I noticed that when I snack, I don't keep snacking. Like I'll have a few chips, then I'll stop. I'm like, is this really worth it? I don't really know if I want this. I'm not doing the chocolate. I'm not doing the candy bars. If I want something sweet, I actually made it myself. Like I made an apple dump cake. When I made it, I guess I'm just like any other cook. When I cook, I don't really eat my own food. I don't understand that. Like I'll eat like bits and pieces, but then I don't want it anymore. So my consumption of food has really gone down, but I'm still eating it. But I think I'm doing it more in just moderation. I'm doing it so less and less and less and less and less. Like I can't sit there and eat a whole bag of chips. I can't eat half a bag of chips. I can't even really get through the little 25-cent bag of chips. You know what I mean? A little bit and then I'm done. And I think it has a lot to do with the fact that I feel full all the time because I'm drinking the water and I'm doing the apple cider vinegar. I feel full. I feel more energized with the amount of food that I'm eating, and I don't have the need to snack. And I think it really helped. So I don't know. Those are just some of the things that I did. No dieting, no exercising, minor changes that have made, I think, a major difference in my life on how I feel about the way I look and just the way I feel inside. So I hope this video was helpful to somebody. Anybody, let me know. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell because I do have more videos to come. And also like and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.